Hi guys, my name is Sharv. I'm from MIT ADT Pune. Today I am going to present the learnings I did in WebStack MERN Internship 2024. Goal of internship. The primary goal of this MERN stands for MongoDB, Express.js, React.js and Node.js project was to gain a comprehensive understanding of how both the front end and back end of website are developed and managed using various technologies including HTML, CSS, JavaScript, MongoDB, React, Express, Node and more. HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Is the basic building block of all websites. It is a language used to create and structure the content of a web page, such as text, images, links, and other elements. Think of HTML as a skeleton of a web page. It defines the layout and structure, telling the browser what to display and how to display it. Using different HTML tags, you can create headings, paragraphs, lists, tables, and more, making it the foundation for any website. CSS, Cascading Style Sheet. It is a language used to style and design appearance of a web page. While HTML gives structure to the content, CSS control how that content looks, such as its colors, fonts, size, spacing, and layout. It allows you to create visually appealing and consistent designs across multiple pages of a website. Think of CSS as the paint and a decoration on a skeleton that HTML provides, making your website look beautiful and unique. JavaScript. JavaScript is a programming language that brings a web page to life by adding interactivity and dynamic features. While HTML provides the structure and CSS style to the content, JavaScript allows you to create things like animation from validation, slideshows, and interactive maps. It makes websites more engaging by responding to user actions such as clicks, typing, scrolling. In simple terms, JavaScript is what makes a website dynamic and interactive, allowing it to do much more than just display static information. React.js. So these are types. So these are things in React.js. So these are points in React.js. React.js. So these are points in React.js. 1. JavaScript library. React.js is a popular JavaScript library for building user interfaces, especially for single page applications. Second, component based. It allows you to build web applications using reusable components like building blocks, making your code more organized and easier to manage. Fast updates. React uses a virtual DOM to efficiently update only the parts of the web page that needs to change, make it faster. Interactive UI. It helps to create dynamic and interactive user interfaces where user can interact smoothly with websites or apps. Redux. Redux is a tool used for managing the data of your application in predictable ways, especially for complex applications with many components. It stores all the application's data in a single place called the store, making it easy to track and manage changes. When something in your app needs to change, like user input or fetching data, Redux uses actions and reducers to handle these changes in one central location. Redux follows strict patterns It makes the application easier to debug and understand. Node.js. Node.js is a powerful tool that allows you to run JavaScript on a server, not just in a browser. It helps you to build the backend of a website or an application, handling things like database connection, file operations, and server requests. Think of Node.js as a fast and efficient engine that powers the server-side logic of your web applications, enabling them to handle multiple tasks at once without slowing down. It is widely used to build scalable, real-time applications like chat apps, online games, and APIs. MongoDB. So in MongoDB, there are multiple points like NoSQL database. MongoDB is a type of database that stores data in flexible document-based formats rather than a traditional table-like SQL databases. Document-oriented. It stores data in documents, similar to JSON objects, which make it easy to handle complex data and relationships between data. Scalable. MongoDB is designed to handle large amount of data and can scale horizontally across multiple servers, making it suitable for big applications. Flexible schema. Unlike traditional database, MongoDB doesn't require a fixed structure for data, allowing you to store different types of data together and makes changes easily. Project requirements. The project was a food web application similar to Swiggy or Foodpanda. The application needed to allow customers to browse and choose their favorite food item, places, orders, make payments, and track their order status in real time. The web page application was required to be developed using Stack. Backend. Node.js was instrumental in connecting our web application with Mailtrap and Stripe. Mailtrap was used to handle password reset emails, ensuring users receive instruction to reset their password. Stripe was integrated for processing payments on the website. Additionally, Node.js facilitates the connection to MongoDB, which serves as a central repository for all website data. MongoDB manages essential information, including product details, order number, payment IDs, and user data, making it the core of our project. Frontend. The frontend of the project was built using HTML, CSS, React.js, and Redux. HTML. It provides the basic structure of the page, allowing users to define content with tags such as h1, paragraph, and a. CSS. Transform a web page from plain and unappealing to visually engaging. We use CSS to enhance the appearance of the home page, order page, product page, login page, payment page, and more. React served as the foundation of our project. We created various components such as fooditems.js for displaying products, orders.js for order management, and payment.js for the payment interfaces. Redux played a crucial role in managing a state across different components of our application. Redux made it easy to handle and synchronize various states, ensuring smooth functionality throughout the project. Full stack versus Stack. Full stack refers to the entire range of technology used to build both the front end and back end of a web application. This can include various technologies for different layers such as HTML, CSS, JavaScript, plus back-end technologies like Node.js, Python, Ruby, etc. and database like MySQL, MongoDB, or PostgreSQL. Stack, a specific type full stack that includes 4 technologies: MongoDB for database, Express.js for backend framework, React.js for front-end libraries, and Node.js for runtime environment. Merge stack is predefined set of tools that work together seamlessly to build web applications. Conclusion. This internship was an incredible experience where I learned a lot about web development. Thanks to the guidance of my mentor, Jay Kumar. Whenever I face challenges, he helped me to overcome them with his support. I am grateful to Jay Kumar, truly the best mentor. The knowledge I gained during this time has inspired me to work harder and aim for great achievements in the field of web development. So now we will go to the implementation part. So my project is food order project. As you can see in my project, there are multiple folders like backend, database, frontend. For this project, I use languages like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and other. Now I'll execute my program. So now it will redirect me to the home page of my project. So this is the home page of my project. Now from from login section, I can just simply log in or add a new user. So for now, I'll add a new user. To register a user, there are fields like name, email, password, password confirmation, phone number, and avatar. So now I'll add all the details. I'll add my email. I'll add the password. I'll add my phone number. I'll choose avatar for me. And I'll click on register. So I'm registered now. Now I'll just simply log in. So as you can see, I get logged into the main page, and from profile section you can see my profile details like my full name, email address, and when I've joined. So on home page you can see multiple restaurants like Haldiram, KFC, and many others. You can select restaurant as you wish, and here there are multiple sections like pure veg that show you only pure veg restaurants. It will sort the restaurants by review, where like high review restaurant get on top, or by rating, where by high rating it will go to top. Now I'll choose one restaurant like Empire restaurant. Now after choosing a restaurant, There are menu for this restaurant. Menu are in categories like starter, main course, bread, and others. Here there is a small description about all the menu things and price. So from here I can add selected menus to the cart. So for this I'll add 2 3 things. So these items are added to the cart now. So I'll go to the cart. As you can see all the selected items in my cart. Now here I can change the quantity of my items, like I can increase the quantity and also I can decrease the quantity. It will show me the subtotal without the delivery charges. Now I'll go to the checkout. This checkout section will redirect me to the payment section. So on this page here it asks me for my address and payment details. So for address I can use my previous address or I can add new address. Like it will ask me to write my name and write my address, Pune, Maharashtra. It will ask me my phone number. And it will ask my card details. So I can use my previous card or I can add a new card. So I'll add a new card. Now here it will show me the subtotal where it will add also shipping charges. Here it add 55 rupees for the shipping. Now I can just simply tap to the pay and it will pay from my card. Now it's processing. Okay. Now as you can see order has been successfully placed and payment has been done. Now if I go to the home page and go to the orders, it will show my order, show the items, show the number of items, show the amount, show the status. Status can be either pending or processing, order date, and actions. In action section, if you go in action section, it will show the delivery information like order number, name, phone number, payment status, and here from order number you can track your order. So on admin's end, uh, I use MongoDB for database. MongoDB is used for unstructured data. So here in orders, you can see the orders, and now this is the latest order. Now it's showing order status is processing. So when order is delivered to the customer by the delivery partner, I'll just change this processing part to the deliver part. Like I'll just change it to deliver and update this to the database. Now, when I go to my application and refresh this page, now it will show delivered. And by doing this, you can change the order status from processing to delivered. This is my project. Now I want to express my sincere gratitude to the Webstack team for the incredible MERN Internship 2024 experience. This internship has been an invaluable learning journey, providing me with hands-on exposure to MERN stack and allowing me to work on real-world projects. The mentorship, guidance, and support from the team were exceptional, and I truly appreciate the opportunity to enhance my skills and knowledge in web development. Thank you, Webstack, for this amazing opportunity.